Okay, as you saw from the artwork that we had created using a CNC machine, designed in AutoCAD, and also created the toolpaths in Vectrex Aspire program, we had to start somewhere. We had to start with a font. And to put the font into AutoCAD, I had to first find a font that was going to work for my project. Well, I'm going to be working with a brush script because I need the text to be connected. So I've gone to this website called dafont.com, as you can see right here, dafont.com. Now, in your computer, you'll already have probably brush script, but I'm going to go ahead and select brush script here, and we'll check and see what we can find as far as a font. Now, Dafont and also 1001freefonts.com allow you to preview the actual text that you're trying to create. Now, I'm going to look at the word Hannah for the name Hannah. I'm doing a project for this young lady named Hannah. And I'm going to come down and do a search on that. I'm looking at medium size and that kind of thing. And I'm going to do popularity based on, let's try newest. And I'll just do a submit and see what the newest and greatest fonts are. Okay. So here are some of the fonts that are out there. I use my scroll bar here on the right hand side, and we'll scroll down and find some fonts that would look good and be very effective using a CNC machine. I'm kind of liking this one here, Breakfast on the Beach, this one right here. I kind of like the way it looks because it provides some opportunities for CNC that's going to be thick and could work. So we'll make a note of Breakfast on the Beach as a possible one. And let's scroll down further and see if there's any others in here that look pretty good. The ones you want to avoid are the ones that have this like a dry brush technique. Those will not work for our CNC project. We need basically a pure monochromatic black font. This one looks pretty good here, this one called Walking on the Street. But we're going to keep going, and let's go look at the next one. Now, obviously, you got a lot of fonts here, up to 37 from what I can tell here. So we'll scroll down here and we'll find the font, and one that's going to look good in our project. You kind of want to have a thick font like you're seeing here because it gives you a lot of material to work with when you're cutting it out on your CNC machine. We'll go one more, page 3, and see what we can come up with. This one here actually looks pretty good. Let me scroll back up here. That one there looks like Sticka here looks pretty good. That would be a good font because of the size of the font and how it's connected. Let's scroll down a little bit more, see what we can come up with. Well, I'm not really seeing anything. It just jumps out here and says, hey, use me. But I really did like that font on the first page. So let's go back to that Walk on the Beach font on the first page, and let's get that font. Okay, let's see here. Where's that font here? The Walk on the Beach font. That's not the one I wanted. That's the Quick Fox. I guess I selected that. Go back, and we'll scroll down here to find that Walk on the Beach font. Rough Sketch. Not going to work. Walking in the Street. No, that's not going to be it. That wasn't it. We'll just keep looking till we find it. Breakfast on the Beach. I think that was the one we were looking at. Kind of like that font. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. And it says free for personal use. And I'm going to save the file and open with Windows Explorer. Just go ahead and see it real quick. And once I do that, there they are. And the file that we're looking for is this one right here, this TrueType font. So we'll select that. We'll right mouse click, actually just double click on it. When you double click on it, it'll open up the font install command. Here you can see all the different types of letters and stuff on it. This actually looks pretty good. I kind of like this font. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. So it's going to go ahead and install it. It's Breakfast on the Beach. I can't forget that name. Okay, looks like it got installed. Now I'm going to stop here